Looking for a side hustle, a way to quit your job, or you want to become an entrepreneur and you don't have a lot of time or money to invest. You want to work in a niche market that requires minimum training but brings in a large return. Well, I think I know of just the right industry for you, and that is the automobile recycling industry. Automobile recycling is one of the 5th largest industries in the US, generating over $30 billion in revenue annually. Every year, 12 to 15 million vehicles reach the end of their lifespan, creating a profitable opportunity for automobile recyclers and salvage or junkyards. Now that we have your attention, let's discuss why this industry is a good fit for you. Anyone can work in this industry. The beauty in automobile recycling is that anyone can do it. The only requirement is that you have a cell phone and personal vehicle to get started. There aren't any gender or demographic restrictions. You got that? Great. Let's move forward. Education. There are no educational requirements. You don't have to spend months or years training before you can go out on your own. You can literally take an online or one-on-one course and you'll learn all you need to know in a matter of a few days or weeks, depending on your speed. How much do you have to invest initially? The startup cost can range from $300 to $30,000, which is amazing because whether you have a little or a lot, there is room for you to get started and grow. Niche opportunity. The wonderful thing about a niche opportunity is that everyone is not doing it. The auto recycling industry is different because people don't know a lot about it, but in many ways, we all use it. You can have personal and financial freedom. This is an opportunity that can bring in a 6-figure income. It allows you to be your own boss, work at your own pace, and provide income for yourself or your family. You have the freedom to create your own schedule, allowing you to go on trips, spend time with your children, and truly enjoy what life has to offer. Now, if you are really serious about becoming an automobile recycler, we've put together a checklist on how you can get started right away so that you can have a game plan for your new journey as an automobile recycler. Click the link to get started today.